Hello friends. Welcome to Jiuji Electric channel. Today let's unboxing a very popular, adjustable type voltage and current protector socket together. The model JJSVA-16. Manufactured by Jiuji Protector Company. The product in my hand is the UK plug convert into universal socket type. Now let's check how to set Jiuji adjustable voltage current protector socket. After the power on self-testing completed, the socket enters the working mode. Manual switch on-off button. Turn off the protection function by pressing this key. Now press to holding the setting key to enter the function setting interface. I1 is setting power on delay time. Unit is seconds. The range can be set from 1 to 500 seconds according to your own needs. A2 is setting the overvoltage protection value. Unit is volts. The default range can be set from 230 to 300 volts. Or off protection. A3 is setting the overvoltage recovery value. The range can be set from 225 to 295 volts. A4 is setting the overvoltage recovery delay time. The range can be set from 1 to 500 seconds. A5 is setting the overvoltage protection action time. The range can be set from 0.1 to 30 seconds. A6 is setting the undervoltage protection value. Unit is volts. It can be from the off protection, adjusted into the protection range from 140 to 210 volts. A7 is setting the undervoltage recovery value. The range can be set from 145 to 215 volts. A8 is setting the undervoltage recovery delay time. The range can be set from 1 to 500 seconds. A9 is setting the undervoltage protection action time. The range can be set from 0.1 to 30 seconds. A10 is setting the overcurrent protection value. Unit is ampere. The protection range can be adjusted from 1 to 16 amperes. I11 is setting the overcurrent recovery delay time. The range can be set from 1 to 500 seconds. I12 is setting the overcurrent protection action time. The range can be set from 0.1 to 30 seconds. A13 is the voltage calibration. The range can be adjusted from -9.5 to 9.5%. A14 is the continuous overcurrent fault times. It can be from the off, adjusted into 1 to 20 times. A15 is the current calibration. The range can be adjusted from -9.5 to 9.5%. End setting. Press set to exit from setting. Jiuji ergonomic designed panel makes you focus on the display easier. We have several plug socket types for you to choose like EU, UT, US, Germana Universal. Thank you for your time. Call us to get samples anytime.
Now let's have a look about Jiuji production workshop. We have several Panasonic advanced SMT lines. Through whole production line, automatic IC programming machines, and AOI machine. Multi-temperature zones reflow soldering line. We have several semi-automatic product assembly lines. Everyone has their own division of assembly process. All in good order and comfortable environment. Testing and aging workshops are independent for different product series. Here is Jiuji product catalog. We have a wide range of product series, like Wi-Fi multifunctional protector series, Smart Protector Socket series, Digital Display Meter series, 3-phase voltage current protector series, Single-phase voltage current protector series, and some customized models according to customer-owned demands. Hong Kong Electronics Fair is around the corner. We will attend the show in this April, from 13th to 16th. Warmly welcome your visit. We welcome your visit and quotation. Call us for inquiry or samples. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your day.